All right. It is one of my favorite times of year. The new iPhones are out. We actually got 3 this year, and 2 of them are out now. One of them doesn't come out for a month. And we have the XS and the XS Max in 256 gigs of storage in the new gold color. And I'm gonna unbox both, although the unboxing experience is gonna be incredibly similar. What we're here to see is that new gold color. So let's start with the XS. We'll save the Max for last. Oh, wait. That come through good on audio? Yeah? I figured it would. All right. I feel bad, I'm unboxing someone else's phone. All right, so you have your usual designed by Apple in California booklet. The only thing you want in here is the stickers, right? Oh, that's new. Hello. Didn't know they actually did that this year. Look at that. And then they show you how to use your phone. And this is the unlocked model, so it comes with a SIM ejector tool. All right. So, great, because no one cares about that. And, oh man, look at that. Can you get in on that? Look at the stainless steel band. That is super nice. Set the phone to the side. It's the same exact usual stuff in the box. So you have earpods, you have your 5-watt brick, no adapter this year onto the back. Yeah, that's weird. I guess Apple didn't think it was important this time around or something. Everyone just has CarPlay in their cars this year, and then charging cable. All right, so that's XS. I'm gonna leave this here. Let's get the XS Max. Here we go. Wait. You still getting that on mic? Yeah? Sweet. All right. XS Max. Look at the size of the phone, right? Compared to the XS right here. So they put the actual size of the phone outside the box, right? Look at this. This is going to be a ridiculously large phone. I am so excited. The XS Max is mine, by the way. Same booklet. And there is the XS Max. Still a decent size. I like it. All right. There's new gold. It's a little different, I believe, compared to the 8 Plus's gold. It's a little bit darker. Kind of looks like champagne. Can you get in on that stainless steel band? I think that's going to be the real looker right there, is the stainless steel band. Man, these look really nice. I'm glad you went with the gold too. This is the color this year, right? Once you get that color, you have to go with the new color that they bring out every year. That's it, right? We're done with this unboxing. Jeez, that was quick. I'm so sorry. That was rather fast. I can't wait to get these set up. We're gonna get them going. Make sure you guys hit like and subscribe, because we have a lot of comparison videos that are going to be in the works between these phones and other phones that I still currently have. So don't forget, hit like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you guys dropped by on launch day, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. I don't want to forget these. Good?